Alright, kiddo. I'll see you another night.
All in a day's work. It's a mindset, a moral code, shared and passed down over generations. A quiet confidence in craft, work ethic, and a job well done. If you blink, you might just miss them. The modest overachievers. The fearless early risers. The gutsy grinders. And the no-nonsense survivors. Mothers and fathers. Sons and daughters. The unsung working-class heroes hidden behind the mask. They work hard for us. And Jackson Safety works hard for them, providing comfort, keeping them safe, bringing them home. Because at the end of every day, when the light wanes and the dust settles, we all could use a little peace of mind.